Senor. Still have pickles right there. Bills, you wanna go?
I bought some sand. Sand ran dance. Wondering. Sand ran dance. Wondering.
Kills. Catch.
Open the gates. Boop. Go through. Shut the gate. Can't go through. You gotta make a rule, everyone. Go through this gate. Boop. Do you know what this is?
It's a railroad.
And you can go through. Now.
Side says, okay, so now we. My Vinewood, it says Vinewood Ave, Railroad Crossing Avenue. It says Vinewood Ave, Railroad Crossing from Avenue, Florida.
I got you.
We have our little pet arm. And then we have our thing. I'm just not. I know he loves scary stuff. He loves what? Ooh, ghost. To my brother. What to my brother? He's on. There he is.
My little brother said, "Google Hidi Aquabeat." Now, good morning. Good night. Good morning.
Say good night.
Good morning.
Lay down and say good night.
Good morning.
Lay down on the floor.
Good morning.
Say good night.
Good morning.
Good
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Oh, that's enough.
Good morning.
Come back. Sorry.
Good morning. Good
Yes.
morning. Good morning.
Good night.
Good morning. 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 Good morning.
Now give me.
Good morning. 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 Good morning.
And that is my real crossing.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Stop!
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.